Here we have the current waveform which is given, which represents the current which is flowing through a 10 ohm resistor. So it is clearly observed that the current has a magnitude of 5 amps. So what are we supposed to find? We are supposed to find the maximum value of voltage and power. So as how can we obtain this maximum value of voltage and power? So to find it, we will first write the voltage expression. What is voltage? Voltage is nothing but the resistance into the current. So I of t is given. We know what is R. We can find the instantaneous voltage which is V of t. So if we want to find the maximum value, we need to have the maximum value of current. So it is R into I max. So I maximum is given, which is 5 amps. So V max is equal to 10 ohms, which is given in the question, into the current maximum, which is 5 amps. So the maximum value of the voltage is 50 volts. So with this, we can find what is the peak power or the maximum value of the power. So the maximum value of the power or the peak power is V max into I max, or you can use I max square into R or V max square divided by R. So this V max is 50 into I maximum is 5, which gives us 250 watts. So given a waveform, from the waveform we can obtain the value of voltage and the power, or if voltage is given, we can find the value of current or any other quantities which is specified. So let us see the next question is, the current is applied to a 5 ohm resistor. We have to find the instantaneous voltage and instantaneous power. So to find that, first we will write the expression for instantaneous voltage, that is V of t is equal to R into I of t. We know what is R. What we have to do? We have to find I of t. So what is instantaneous current? Can you write it from this waveform? So to write from this waveform, we will use the equation of the straight line. So what is equation of the straight line? Equation of the straight line is y is equal to mx plus c. So we will take this y is I of t is equal to m as a function of time. So m into t. What is m? M is the slope. So to find this m, we have to use this waveform. So the slope m is, what is the amplitude? Amplitude or the magnitude is 10 amps divided by the time. Time is this duration. You can see everything is for a duration of 2 milliseconds. So we can write it as 2 milliseconds directly, or we can write it as 2 minus 0 milli by considering this interval. So it is 10 by 2 milliamps, which is 5 into 10 to the power 3. So slope is 5 into 10 to the power 3. So m is equal to 5 into 10 to the power 3 amps per second, which is nothing but the slope. So our equation of the straight line y is equal to mx is nothing but I of t is equal to m into t. So where m is 5 into 10 to the power 3 and this t we write it as it is. So this is the expression for the instantaneous current. So how can we write the instantaneous voltage? V of t is equal to R which is 5 into I of t. I is nothing but 5 into 10 to the power 3 t, which gives us 25 into 10 to the power 3 t. This is the expression for instantaneous voltage. How can we find the power? P of t is equal to V of t into I of t. So V of t is 25 into 10 to the power 3 t, whereas I of t is 5 into 10 to the power 3 t. So we can write it as 25 into 5, which is 125 into 10 to the power 6 t into t is t square. This much watts. This is volts. This is amps. So this is the instantaneous voltage and power.